Is it the right time to buy or sell Boeing stock? In this video, we'll be delving deep into Boeing. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, January 25, 2024. Now, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You wouldn't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analyses for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since January 8, 2024, our system has identified Boeing as a sell candidate, with a score of -2.20. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. The stock experienced a loss of 11.84%, which is quite significant. This means that on average, the stock has been losing 0.91% per day since it was flagged as a sell candidate. The stock has recently broken a strong upward trend, signaling a slower rate of increase and a potential shift in direction. This break in trend creates a resistance level at $205.47 and a potential opportunity to sell before further declines. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a possibility of an 18.01% change over the next 3 months, offering potential returns ranging from 20.11% to 65.23%. In terms of the 12-month trend, there is a projected 7.21% change over the next year, with potential returns ranging from -3.26% to 41.33%. This suggests a price range of $195.31 to $285.32 after a year. Today's update on Boeing brings an important headline. Boeing's stock price experienced a decrease of 5.72% on Thursday. On the last trading day, which was Thursday, January 25, 2024, the Boeing stock price fell by 5.72%, going from $214.13 to $201.88. Throughout the day, the stock had a fluctuation of 5.25%, reaching a low of $198.32 and a high of $208.73. Over the past 10 days, the stock price has fallen in 6 of them, resulting in an overall decrease of 11.39% during this period. Although the volume of shares increased by 8 million on the last day, the prices were falling. This could be seen as an early warning sign, indicating a slightly increased risk in the upcoming days. In total, approximately 22 million shares were bought and sold, amounting to around $4.43 billion. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price the stock reached was $267.49, while the lowest was $176.25. Currently, the stock price is 24.53% below the 52-week high, which translates to a difference of $65.61. Compared to the all-time high on March 1, 2019, when the price reached $446.01, the current price is 54.74% lower, equal to $244.13. Today, I want to share with you some recent analyst ratings for Boeing, BA. On Tuesday, January 9, 2024, Goldman Sachs gave Boeing a buy grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, January 9, 2024, RBC Capital gave Boeing an outperform grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, December 6, 2023, Barclays gave Boeing an equal weight grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, November 28, 2023, Wells Fargo gave Boeing an equal weight grade with a downgrade action. On Tuesday, November 28, 2023, RBC Capital gave Boeing an outperform grade with an upgrade action. Analysts have given Boeing stock a general recommendation to sell. They rate the PE ratio as a strong sell and the price to book as also a strong sell. In terms of return on investment, the analysts give the stock a rating of strong sell. Today, we'll be discussing the signals that have been identified for Boeing. On Tuesday, January 16, 2024, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point. Since then, the stock has risen by 0.678%. This upward trend is expected to continue until a new top pivot is found. However, there are also some negative signals that may impact the stock's short-term development. Both short and long-term moving averages indicate sell signals, suggesting a more negative forecast for Boeing. Additionally, the relation between the two signals shows a general sell signal, with the long-term average above the short-term average. If the stock corrects upwards, it may face resistance at $210.30 and $238.83. Breaking above these levels will trigger buy signals. Another important signal is a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Yesterday, volume rose on falling prices, which could be an early warning sign. It's crucial to closely monitor the stock's performance. Today, we'll be discussing some interesting signals that you may find useful for your investment decisions. Let's start with the moving average convergence divergence, which is currently indicating a sell signal. Another signal to consider is the pivots, which gave a buy signal 8 days ago. Additionally, the Bollinger signal showed a buy signal 10 days ago. Looking at short-term moving averages, we observe a sell signal that occurred 2 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average is indicating a sell signal that occurred 14 days ago. Analyzing the relationship between the short and long moving averages, we find a buy signal that occurred 12 days ago. Now, let's shift our focus to the 12-month chart. Here, the short moving average is indicating a sell signal that occurred 18 days ago. Likewise, the long-term moving average is showing a sell signal that occurred 4 days ago. Considering the relationship between the short and long moving averages, there was a buy signal 37 days ago. If you'd like to explore more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop-loss for Boeing. Boeing currently finds support from accumulated volume at $200.52. This level presents a potential buying opportunity, as it is expected to trigger an upwards reaction when tested. However, it's important to note that this stock can exhibit significant volatility throughout the day, making it a high-risk investment. Looking at recent data, Boeing has experienced a $10.41 price movement between its daily high and low, which represents a 5.25% fluctuation. Over the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 3.37%. Let's start by exploring some important fundamental data before we discuss potential trading levels for Boeing. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. If a company has a negative P/E ratio, it means they have negative earnings or are currently losing money. It's not uncommon for established companies to go through challenging periods, often due to external factors. However, if a company consistently has a negative P/E ratio, it may indicate insufficient profitability and potential risks of bankruptcy. Moving on to other news, the next earnings report for Q1 2024 is expected to be released on April 24, 2024. Today, we'll be exploring potential day trading levels for Boeing. In the case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Boeing is at $203.06. If you're not already holding any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. However, if you're already holding the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, Boeing encounters its first support level at $200.52. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, with the anticipation of a rebound. The combined average rating for Boeing from multiple analyst sources is sell. Now, let's delve into some recent insider trades. On January 16, 2024, Pope Stephanie F. conducted an insider sell of 629,249 shares of common stock. On January 1, 2024, Raymond David Christopher conducted an insider buy of 0 shares of common stock. On January 1, 2024, Raymond David Christopher conducted an insider buy of 0 shares of common stock. On January 1, 2024, Raymond David Christopher conducted an insider buy of 0 shares of common stock. On January 1, 2024, Raymond David Christopher conducted an insider buy of 0 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have calculated the insider power to be positive with a ratio of 132.584. Overall, insiders purchased 220,244 shares and sold 28,390 shares in the last 100 trades. We have a negative evaluation for this stock and unfortunately, no stop loss has been set. Is Boeing stock a good buy? Despite the positive trend, we have identified several negative signals for the Boeing stock. As a result, we anticipate weak performance in the upcoming days or weeks, leading us to hold a negative evaluation of this stock. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems have determined that the current price is undervalued. When trading commences on Friday, January 26, we anticipate Boeing to open up by $1.10 and begin trading at $202.98. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. Always consult a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. StockInvest.us is a valuable resource, but it should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. In this video, we'll be discussing our current view of the stock. We value your opinion, so don't forget to comment below and share your thoughts. We're also curious about your target for the stock. Remember to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. Trading success awaits you, and we hope you have a wonderful day.